crust, red sauce, mozzarella, prosciutto, salami, roasted garlic, onions, and black olives. Are you ready?
Yes.
It's a good way to do that, to record it. Did you got some of this, right, Tim?
Yep.
Okay.
Prosciutto.
That pushy little end stuff.
Yep.
Oh.
So they say that you don't want to spend a lot of time making it, right? You want to do it as fast as you can.
Yep.
Like little babies back there. You gotta put the powder in there so they stay healthy and germ-free.
All right, here we go. We're gonna just leave it open. Looks like the flour is what's burning. So we're gonna make it so that it's up there and cooks. Okay. Give it a minute or so. Not much though.
That's not done.
I know. I'm trying to make sure it's not burning. So. I don't know how much we really need to shut the door. Shut the door, it seems like it gets hotter and it makes it...
Well, it cooks through better.
Yeah.
When you close the door.
Okay. What do you think?
Take a check, I guess.
Should we?
Sure. We might rotate it one last time because the cheese is cooking over on that side.
Okay.
Oh, there goes a piece of garlic.
For a second or so?
Yeah. We're figuring out how to char it less.
Yes.
All right, it's probably good.
I think the flour. Oh no!
Oh shit! Pardon my English. Can we hold it for a second?